Hey guys, it's Keisha, Side Hustle Keisha. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. You guys know I'm talking today about a work from home opportunity that you should apply for like today, okay? I want you to go over here if this is your skill set, if this is something you like to do part-time on the side, I want you to go over and make sure you apply today. Let me just welcome you back to my YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit the notification button so every time I upload a video, you're notified, okay? You guys make sure you're following me over on Instagram at Side Hustle Keisha, okay? So I post there as well, so you won't miss any hot new jobs that I post and put up on YouTube. And also I'm on Facebook, so make sure you jump over to my Facebook page and you're following me over there as well, so you don't never miss an opportunity that might work for you or someone you know, right? So let me just jump right into this cool opportunity, you guys. So it is a candyologist, okay? A candyologist, candy and chocolate taste tester, okay? So it'll be working for a company called Candy Fun House. It's a remote job. It pays $30 an hour. Let me read it to you guys. Do you love candy and chocolate? Are you passionate about confectionery and exploring unreleased and existing products? So if so, this might be the perfect position for you. We are currently looking for a full-time and part-time candy and chocolate taste testers, also known as candyologists. Candidates should have an enthusiasm and eagerness to try confectionery products. We are looking for honest and objective opinions on products that will be taste tested. Candidates will be responsible for tasting and reviewing from over 3,000 products we currently carry. The candidates will also play an integral role in selecting the candies that will be a part of the first ever Candy Funhouse branded candy line. So 10 new and original candy creations will be selected and narrowed down from hundreds of possible options, okay? So here at Candy Funhouse, candy confectionery is a science, okay? So here's the responsibilities. Taste samples objectively, consider aspects of taste, texture, and quality. Full-time position will require a person taste testing, okay? Part-time position will have confectionery products shipped remotely. So they will ship the products to you remotely. Brief product description and rating. Candidates will follow our in-house confectionery rating system. A brief 2-sentence description will be required for each product tested. These descriptions may be incorporated on our website and social media. Exemplify a passion for candy and chocolate product through taking pride in creative and imaginative product reviews, rating each product, being open to exploring your taste buds, enjoy tasting, and striving to be being a big part of the creation and selection of the Candy Funhouse brand candy line, okay? So qualifications: high school diploma, basic writing skills, good communication skills, fluent English, passionate about confectionery, and open to the Canadian and U.S. citizens. So no food allergies, and you must be over the age of 18 years old. Applicants who have an interest in candy, pop culture, and media will be given preference, okay? No experience required. Last day to apply for this job is February 15th, 2021. This is part-time with about 15 hours per week. The job type is a part-time permanent, $30 per hour. Schedule says 8-hour shift, work remotely. Yes. So here's the information for the job, you guys. Listen, I want to go back so I can tell you just a little bit about the company Candy Funhouse. So Candy Funhouse has it. They sell all types of candy, but they are going to be distributing their own line of candy. But plus, you're going to be trying different candies from different companies. But just so you guys know, here are here's the full-time candyologist chocolate taste tester. Here is the part-time candyologist test taker. So there's 2 opportunities, full and part-time. They also have a social media on camera personality. They has SEO, website management, executive assistant, and a graphic designer, which is remote. So if you know anyone who's looking for jobs that have these skill sets, send them over here. You guys always know the description is in the link below. The link is in the description below. So you guys make sure you jump over here. You know, look, here's the company Candy Funhouse. Join us in creating sweet candy experiences. So they also have an online store. They have a subscription box, and I jumped over to careers so I can share this opportunity with you. I hope that someone that's watching this video finds an interest in this opportunity and goes over and apply. Please make sure you do come back if you apply. Just kind of drop below in the comments and tell us how your experience was. If you get the job, come back and drop it below in the comments of this video. We want to celebrate with you. I'm still trying to find opportunities for those who are out of work or have been furloughed or hours have been cut, somewhere that they can supplement their income during this pandemic that we're still in. So I hope all is well with each and every one of you. I'll see you guys in my next video. Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe. I really would appreciate it. Sharing this opportunity might help someone else find some extra work during this crazy time that we're going through. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.